Hello, I'm going to show you the demo of my taxi application, the driver part. So let's get started. After the splash screen, you can see the sign up screen. You can enter the app by entering your email or password and entering your email and phone number and entering your password. And after clicking on sign in, you will enter the application. If you don't have any account, you can sign up from here, or you can log in directly from the social accounts like Facebook, Instagram. Okay, after clicking on sign up, you have to add your basic information like name, email, password, and the phone number, and then you have to verify the OTP code that will become on your phone number. After verification, you have to enter your details like date of birth and the documents. You have to upload your documents. You have to enter your two-wheeler type and the name and the things like that, the basic information of your vehicle. After that, you have to enter your insurance details. You have to add details like what you want to choose the service. You are a rider or a restaurant delivery partner or a service requester. After that, here is the home screen. On the home screen, you can choose that you are online offline from here. If you are online, you will receive the orders. If you are offline, you do not receive any orders. And if you are and now we are online, we will have an order. Yes, we will start a trip today. Here's a request from the user side. You have the option to accept or cancel the request. After accepting the request, the ride will start. You will have the location. You have to go to the user location. When you will reach the location of the user, you have the option to start the trip. When we start the trip, after that, when you completed the trip, you have to enter the button, the trip completed. After that, you have that rating part, and what is the fare of that. From here to here, you have delivered the things, and after that, rate now the payment will be done, everything is done, and back to the home screen. You will get another request, and the flow of the app like goes like that. And here's the profile of yours. You can set your profile, you can edit your profile, you can update your document from here. You can update your documents from here, that side. You can update your picture, document details, here the license details, the things like that. You can edit the things from that side. And in the side menu you can check your job history, the upcoming orders, ongoing order, ongoing request, and the past request. You can check each and everything from where to where you have delivered the things, or you have set and like you have what the ride goes on, the path of that, the total kilometers, the rating, the price, the time and date. Here is the payment status. Though you can check the payment status from here, like what on which day, which ride you have done, and how much you got from that. The notification, you can check the notification from here, from the notification tab. You can refer a friend from here for the app. Here's the my wallet. You can check my wallet, how much points or money is there in my wallet, like how much you have earned today. You have things, everything of the payment will be there in my wallet. Here's the criminal history. You can check the criminal history too, the person, and the things like that. And the settings, in the setting you have the option to enable or disable the notification. You can check the password, change the password. You can change the password from here. You can see the privacy policy and terms and conditions from here. In my contacts, you can check my documents. My documents, the license, the you can edit my vehicle settings, the things like that. You can the basic information, the documents, you can edit from there. You can check from there. And the logout, you can simply after clicking on logout, you will be log out to the login screen. You can sign up again by entering the email and password. Thank you.